good, YouTube? It's your boy Mohamed Reacts. We are back at it with another FIFA sound. We have Lisa, Anitta. The song is titled Go. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. You know we got, and we're dropping Downtown with J Balvin and Anitta today. Obviously we do Rema. You know I don't know who Lisa is, but this is the first time on the channel. Okay. You got Congo. I got friends, but I'm Congo as well. I'm honorary. You know what I'm saying?
We'll make it to the next round.
They will make it. You feel me? Let's get it, man. I got this, bro. Let's get it. Yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, though, man. Let's get it. Let's go.
Yes, from my head to my toes. Yes, I'm goals. Tú también. Skin under my clothes, from my head to my toes. Yes, I'm.
Bro, Rema, oh my god. Rema is literally my favorite, bro, out of the Afro beats right now. But I love the fact that FIFA Sounds is bringing all type of artists that usually wouldn't collab on one song and make beautiful music, man. That's the whole point of the World Cup, is putting the world at one place. You feel me? I like this. So let me go back a little bit to Rema, man.
To my toes. Yes,
yeah, I like this one. I definitely like this one. I like this one. It's like all the FIFA songs that we've reacted to so far have all been good. Yeah, I like this one too, the Jesse Reyes. I like that one a lot too. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You guys have been hounding for the FIFA sounds. They're all coming next week, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Much more.